So far you have seen the ultra black triangles and their lines with matte black covers, which look outstanding, I do have to say, and they're right here at the back of my setup. But today we have something different, and the light show today belongs to Nanoleaf 4D. This is screen mirror plus lighting kit that goes up to 65-inch TV screen, which will be outstanding. And what this brings is extends the screen in terms of visual aspect when we're talking about lighting effects, and gives some more immersion if you're watching a movie, series, or basically just gaming. So what's in the box right here? First of all, we have the quick start guide, and this is some sort of, let's see, envelope that has stickers inside, which are very important for this setup. Then we have the lightning strip, which is quite thick, I would say. It's not diffused, but we will check that out later on. And it has Type-C connectivity. Now this is quite interesting because we don't get peripherals with Type-C connectivity. Well, at least some, so this is quite cool. Then next in line we have screen mirror camera, camera mount, magnetic privacy cover, Nanoleaf 4D controller, power supply, 4 lightning corner brackets, and the adjustable gradient light strip, as I already shown you. The model that I have right here is for TVs and monitors up to 65-inch, but you also have an option to choose from a model that goes up to 85 inches, and if you only want to buy the camera, you can do that as well. Now, if you buy only the camera, this is what happens, is that you get a possibility to control other Nanoleaf products instead of just the LED strip. So it's all up to you to decide what do you want to go with. Talking about specifications, the model for up to 65-inch screens has a lightning strip that is 12 millimeters wide and 4.8 millimeters thick with a length of 4 meters, while the 85-inch model is 5.2 meters long. Cable length for the camera is 1.5 meters and the light strip is 1 meter and the power is 2 meters. Luminous flux per panel is 275, lifetime expectancy is 25,000 hours. Wi-Fi is the communication protocol and you have the option to dim the lights either via Nanoleaf application, voice or the controller. Compatibility is really various, so it works with Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, IFTTT, SmartThings and Razer Chroma. We have 30 LEDs per meter, more than 60 million colors, and when it comes to color zones, we have 10 per meter. This product is something that extends the screen, or so to say, above the boundaries of your TV or monitor, which gives you some outstanding feeling while watching movies or while gaming because it fulfills the blank space around it. Unless you have some posters, wall decorations and similar stuff, then it is already fulfilled, right? What I can say is that with the Nanoleaf 4D you can experience the extension of colors to your walls with vibrant backlighting, which illuminates that space with colors from your favorite shows, movies, or if you're gaming, well, you know, then games. The cool thing is that if you enable Sync Plus in the Nanoleaf app, you can extend the screen sync effects across more than 50 Nanoleaf RGB lights, which include Nanoleaf shapes, lines and essentials. To be honest, this is really brilliant. Now let's do a short time-lapse with placing the Nanoleaf 4D in my sim rig part of the studio, since I have a 55-inch TV there. now let me explain something about the product and the 4D. What is 4D and how the scenes react to the colors on the screen? First of all, you can choose from lighting styles with varying degrees of immersion to suit different vibes and, of course, types of content you are watching. The camera captures your on-screen colors and extends them to your Nanoleaf RGB lights to create the mirroring effect in real time. You have dedicated 4D tab in the Nanoleaf's app for that, and you can also enable the rhythm effects for each of the modes, as well as for the lights to react to the audio and visuals from your screen at the same time. Talking about the scenes, you can choose color, dynamic and rhythm scenes, which are non-mirroring because each of them utilize their own unique color palettes. Sync Plus is a cool feature, to be honest, and it allows you to virtually connect all the Nanoleaf products that are in the same space, so you can extend the screen mirroring effects to all Nanoleaf lights. Now you must be asking yourself, does the camera record the video footage? And this would be quite, not interesting, but quite intriguing in terms of will it or will it not? The answer is no, of course. It does not record, save or store anything on the device, cloud, phone or anywhere else. As I mentioned before, it simply uses the feed color data to your lights to create the mirroring effect. For that extra peace of mind, you get a magnetic privacy cover, which is included in the kit, so you can cover it when you're not using it. One more thing I would like to add is that you can cut the light strips to the desired size, but make sure you cut the loose end at the light strip that is not connected to the power cable, and then the lighting effects will automatically remap to the trimmed length. Basically, we have here another outstanding product from Nanoleaf. I can say that it really gives you that special effect and extends the monitor or TV to your wall with the mirroring effect in real time. The price is quite solid, I do have to add that as well, because it's currently 99.99 euros for this kit right here. If you really want to add that special immersion around your screens or your TV or anything while watching your movies or gaming or anything like that, I'll place the link below for the Nanoleaf 4D screen mirror plus the lightning strip kit, so you can check out the prices and everything that you need. This is up to 65-inch. I'll place the camera individually and of course the version for up to 85-inch in the description below, so you can choose what suits your needs best, right? And finally, when you're done checking out the links, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button and ring the notification bell for future Nanoleaf products, of course. Thanks for watching, see you quite shortly, bye bye.